Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Environment Assessment Authority grants sand extraction ECs to 24 clusters, 14 from north and 10 from south. No extraction from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. RTO Director Arun Desai transferred after 5 years. Transferred as Additional Collector, North Goa. Sunil Masurkar takes over as Director from Arun Desai. Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka file availability evidence before Madai Tribunal. Karnataka manipulated report, says AG Nadkarni. Achhe din for Salsett. Government issues work order for South Goa District Hospital worth 99 crores. CM says work should be completed within 15 months. CISF security personnel caught red-handed with 1.5 kg gold at Dabuli Airport. Gold worth around 40 lakh rupees. And tough Lakshmi Prasad and Churchill brothers play out 1-1 draw in Goa Football Association Pro League. And now the news in detail. Now legal sand extraction is set to resume in the state almost after 2 years. State Environment Impact Assessment Authority today granted environmental clearances for sand extraction in the state. Authority has granted ECs for 24 clusters, 14 clusters from North Goa and 10 clusters from South Goa. Sand extraction will not be allowed between 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. That's during night hours and during monsoons. Pillai and Shirvoi clusters have been rejected.
Roadblock for legal sand extraction has been cleared after 2 years of ban. State Environment Assessment Authority met on Monday and Tuesday to finalize sand extraction clusters. Meeting was held in Panji. Authority has granted environment clearances for 24 clusters, 14 in North Goa and 10 in South Goa. Pillai and Shirvoi clusters from South Goa are rejected. Here are the clusters allowed for legal sand extractions in North and South Goa. State Environment Assessment Authority has granted conditional environment clearances. These are the following conditions. No sand extraction from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. That's during night hours. No sand extraction from June to September. Sand extraction only through manual mode. Sand extraction up to 3 meters in saline water which has high tide and low tide. Sand extraction up to 2 meters in rivers. 25 meters distance should be maintained from the bank of the river. Once the sand extraction phase is out, it should be kept closed for some period. Mines Department will decide over the period. Legal sand extraction was banned in Goa from the last almost 2 years. Now, Environment Assessment Authority has granted environment clearances. Mines Department and Collector will now begin issuing licenses for the approved clusters. Department has received 597 applications from all over the state for sand extraction. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Arun Desai has been transferred from the post of Director of Transport to Additional Collector to North Goa. Desai was RTO Director for the last 5 years. Sunil Masurkar will take charge as new Director of Transport. Meanwhile, accused Pune Damu Gowde has pleaded before the special court seeking permission to record his fresh confessional statement. Gowde has alleged that ACB official pressurized him to implicate Deputy Director Vishram Govekar in this case. Govekar was grilled by investigating officer for hours on Tuesday.
Amidst corruption controversy, Director of Transport Arun Desai has been transferred on Tuesday. Desai has been posted as additional collector to North Goa. Following Arun Desai's exit, Sunil Masurkar has been appointed as new director of transport.
त्या दामू गावडेक जेन्ना धरिल्लो ताज्या आमी जी एन्क्वायरी मागिल्ली की जे हायर ऑफिसर्स कोण आसा तांचेर एन्क्वायरी जावची म्हणून आतां एन्क्वायरी चालूय आसा पण तरी आसतना द लिडर ऑफ द पॅक्ट जो आसा जो मिनिस्टर आसा आमकां तरी दिसता की ह्या मिनिस्टराच्या हाचेर खंय ना खंय इन्वॉल्वमेंट आसतलें आनी जो पर्यंत ही एन्क्वायरी सारकी जायना तो पर्यंत मुख्यमंत्र्यान इमिजिएटली हें ट्रान्सपोर्ट खातें तशेंच PWD खातें ह्या मिनिस्टरा कडल्यान काडून घेवचें.
Accused peon Damu Gowde has pleaded before the special court seeking permission to record his fresh confessional statement under section 164 CRPC. Gowde in his affidavit filed before the special court has also pleaded to quash his first statement recorded before the magistrate. Gowde in his affidavit has stated that he was pressurized by the ACB officials to record false statement to implicate Deputy Director of Transport Vishram Govekar. The court has issued notice to the ACB to file their say over contentions of Damu Gowde. Meanwhile, ACB on Monday had conducted marathon raid on Vishram Govekar's residence at Anjuna. ACB in this raid has attached some of his property-related documents. Following the summons of ACB, Vishram Govekar on Tuesday appeared before the investigating officer for questioning. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra filed water availability evidence before the tribunal on Tuesday. Goa Advocate General says Karnataka is resorting to dirty game by presenting Water Commission's report as their own before the tribunal. The main matter on cross-examination of evidences start after study of the evidences by the states. Goa government will file interlocutory appeal before the tribunal over the recent hooliganism by Kannadigas at Kalsa Bandura.
Mahadai water dispute has reached into a crucial phase. Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra governments placed evidences before tribunal on Tuesday. After production of study reports of evidence, main matter on cross-examination will come up for hearing.
Goa state, Maharashtra state, Karnataka state या तीनही राज्यांनी मिळून आपापले एव्हिडन्स जे आता वॉटर अवेलेबिलिटी करतात ते फाईल केले. आता गोयच्या वतीन दोन एक्सपर्ट विटनेस डिपोज केले. एक डॉक्टर ज्योती प्रकाश, हेड ऑफ वॉटर रिसोर्सेस डिपार्टमेंट, IIT बॉम्बे. दुसरं चेतन पंडित, हायड्रोलॉजिस्ट बाय प्रोफेशन, ताणे डिपोज केले. बिहाफ ऑफ कर्नाटका प्रोफेसर गोसाईन म्हणून IIT न्यू दिल्ली आणि महाराष्ट्राचा तांचो एक फॉर्मर सेक्रेटरी WRD मिस्टर उद्दार ताणे डिपोज केला. आता ही सगळी एव्हिडन्स ती एक्सचेंज केल्या सगळ्या राज्यांकडे. These evidences will be scrutinized, they will be verified, will be checked, and the cross-examination will start. Only thing about Karnataka, they have played a little dirty game in the sense they had not done their own study, they were relying on CWC study. So we had vehemently attacked the CWC study. So now they have put up that CWC study as own study of Professor Gosai, which is what they have done, which they could not have done. So this is wrong on the part of Karnataka. The hearing, Magir, once the parties are ready, it will be somewhere in November, around 23rd November.
Karnataka people tried to break the seal of Kalsa Bandura at Kankumbi in spite of stay imposed by tribunal on the matter. Goa government will soon file an interlocutory appeal before the tribunal.
Okay.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Government has issued work order for completion of South Goa District Hospital. Chief Minister confirmed that hospital costing 99 crores will be completed within 18 months. But government has instructed the contractor to complete the work within 15 months. The work has been awarded to Parnika Commercial and Estate Private Limited.
काल आम्ही अप्रूवल दिले आणि एकटो पर्णिका कॉमर्शियल्स अँड इस्टेट प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड बिल्डराक ह्या कंपनीक 99 crores उरलेलें काम दिला. The company is expected to complete the entire job in 18 months. 18 months period asa. But we are insisting that the work be completed in 15 months by December next. जर कितें उरलें जाल्यार वयले जे एड्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट जे नर्सिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट वयल्या 2 फ्लोरार जे आमी प्रपोज केला ते मातशे फाटी 5-6 म्हयने उरल्यार जाता बिकॉज दॅट वूड कॉमेन्स फ्रॉम द बिगिनींग ऑफ नेक्स्ट एकाडेमीक इयर न्ही जुलयन बीन जातले न्ही त्यामुळे बाय डिसेंबर हे कंप्लीट जावचें असो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. एक दक्षिण गोव्याचो तसो फ्लॅगशीप प्रोजेक्ट सिग्नेचर प्रोजेक्ट म्हटल्यार जाता आणि तेची सामकी आवश्यकता आसली. हांगा थोडे टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम्स आनी थोडे चेंज करपाचे हे गोष्टी जाल्यो म्हणून वेळ गेलो. पूण काल आमी एप्रुवल दिलो, आज वर्क ऑर्डर दिली आणि फाल्यांच्यान कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक काम सुरू कर म्हणून सांगलां. समजलें? इतले वी वर कंटिन्युअसली मॉनिटरींग.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.